What's up guys, AK with DCC Train. In today's unboxing video we'll open two ore cars. Alright, but before I want to show you one thing. So on Rapido website they put more information about them masterclass. Here we go. This is still, I'm not sure, NSC Barrel or Hopper Masterclass, but if you leave a comment what this stands for, I really appreciate it. So here we go. Nice pictures. So that's how you put them together. And more pictures like this. Pretty cool. I like that. So, and a lot of information, really like it. So we're going to open them right now. Let me start with CN. It was optical illusion when we already sold them out. When I start opening boxes, when they came like just a few days ago, and it was a little bit dark in my train room store. Here's the number. Okay, and it wasn't red CN, it was brown. So, and I thought the Ontario model they're not the same. And I asked Rob, again, I just messed myself up. He said no, they're the same anyway, but when I look at this they are definitely different. So two different sizes. Also that I'll open it in a second. So 60 something parts. Yes, 60 parts. There we go. Two stickers. Love that I have the shirt like this. Fun. And flyers, of course. There we go. Some marketing materials. It's always good. And also I'm still learning those kind of panels, I believe with the code. Yes, if you please leave a comment what's this for. I believe tracking. So you need some muscle to open, which is good. Try to open it like next to those pins. Oh, here we go. Whew. Yeah, some definitely muscle. So here we go. Details. Of course, I open it before. Details amazing. Yes, probably the best way to take it out like that. Package is great and details, yeah, incredible. Good. It's short car, and those scale head couplers, but they look like standard, you know, but that's KD scale head. On a bigger car, that Ontario Northland, they look like normal, you know. So yes, details just amazing. See through everything. Here the red is not really showing all those super detailed parts, but believe me, it's so good. My understanding, when the car going to the bay or whatever, those two things like opening doors, my understanding. My question is when the ore going down through, how it's interesting question just for me, how it's like equally, if it is equally kind of spreading out, but I guess that's what it is. Says Scale test car. That's also a question I don't have the answer. That's new to me. Those hoses kind of make of rubber. See, they bending. I'm not sure what's happened with them later, but I hope our good friends Rapido guys test them before. So yeah, truck's good, no substitute, all good. Really like this model. Okay, I'm going to put it right away before I mess with it. So yeah, I'm using like that technique to put it back. It's all, believe, totally symmetrical, except one side has that brake wheel. There we go. Awesome. Okay. Done. Let's open, oops, the other one. I'm using tweezers like that to avoid, if you put like finger and pull it, it will be showing you some residue of opening. And if it's going on eBay or you're selling, make sure opening like very carefully, like I just did. So here we go. Yeah, package is super important those days. Same thing here, yeah. Some barcodes to me, like color, with a color too. I saw them on the hoppers, newer hoppers. I just did a review. Okay, same thing here, because it's different diagram. Let me see how many parts. Actually 58 in the short version. I'm sorry, compared to the short version, this is long one. Okay, so if you open like 100 you will be very strong. Your hands. Wow. So that's, I'm just showing you guys. It's a little bit tough. So here we go. The color. My camera is very nice camera, Logitech, and it's pretty good color correction. This is more like orangey, just a little bit. Also monitor can be like I adjust maximum close possible. So this yellow a little bit orangey like Ontario, and that is the blue is to me like CSX, but if you put like more yellowish, that will be like almost identical to CSX. Maybe lighter, not that dark as CSX. Here we go. So in this car you will probably see, because of that darker color, you see details just amazing. That braking mechanism, all cylinders. Okay, let me do like print thumbnail shot. I'll put it. There we go. Yep, paint job, incredible. All prints you can read. Let me double check, make sure I'm right. Yes, everything you can read, dates, numbers, yes, so very nice. But see, that scale head coupler looks looks like smaller in that longer version of that car. Got the bottom, the mechanism and pipes, and just incredible details. I saw some spots of the glue. No, it's not, absolutely not big deal, and especially if you're weathering, yeah, no problem at all. No problem at all. Here's some spot, maybe you can see, of the glue. See that it's kind of reflecting, but overall, absolutely high quality control. So, all right. Oh, that will be all for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Supporting business. I activated all links from that page. Barcodes, QR codes. On the left it's Patreon, and on the right PayPal. Also there is join button for membership. Thanks again and have a good one. Bye bye.